Pivot tables are terrific for giving you a summary of information. And I mean, they're extremely powerful if you've got, tons of stuff to go through and you just want, especially, in maybe a management position or in sales, you just want to, you don't want to bore people with stuff like this, right? You don't show people all of this information. You show them like totals. That's what they're interested in seeing. And for your own information, it's good to know. The problem is that with pivot tables, at least, people are kind of scared of it. They're kind of scared of how to do it. They think it's going to be real complicated. And really, it's not once you understand the basics of it. What I'm going to do is go ahead and show you how quick and easy it is to actually use them and get some helpful information from them. And then over the next, one or two videos after that, we will get into some of the more intricacies of pivot tables. But watch this. This is really, it's as simple as this. I'm going to select the range of data that I want to, grab from. So we're going to go right there. Let's make sure I got everything. And I've got a whole bunch of my inventory items. You could use this for all kinds of stuff, right? But I'm doing my inventory items. I'll go over to Insert. And underneath Pivot Table, we'll just click the button there. Double check the range that we specified. Everything looks fine. Let's pop it onto a new worksheet. Click OK. And there we go. You have created a pivot table. No, not exactly. There's nothing there yet, right? Well, the area here for your pivot table is there, but you have to tell Excel what you want to include there. And here's the beauty of this. Let's say that I wanted to just see, I'm dealing with inventory here, right? Let's say I wanted to see the dollar value broken down by the category of instrument that I've got in stock. So I turn on category, and that shows me all my categories. It gives me basically a summary. Even if I had some things duplicated, it would show up here. It would kind of remove the duplicates for me. Now, I want to show total value. Look at that. It's as simple as that. This is a pivot table. I've got now all of any item that is in my inventory list that is categorized as an acoustic guitar is taken into account in this total. And so I've got a little over $80,000 worth of inventory for acoustic guitars. Electric guitars, $84,000, over $84,000. Let's break it down even further. Let's say I want to see by the brand. So now I have within acoustic bass, I've only got one brand, it seems, Fender. There's my value. For acoustic guitar, I've got two brands. They're both showing up there, the breakdown and the total. Actually, the total for that is up here. Sorry about that. Acoustic electric guitar, the total is here, the breakdown as follows. You can minimize these if you want to get it back down to, just the category there. Let's say that I wanted to just see quantity on hand for a specific model. So I can just turn all these things on and off. This is at its simplest, right? There are other things that we can do that we're going to find out here about shortly, but I can just go through here and turn on any of these things that I want to see. Excel already knows, since this is a pivot table, it already knows to just give me totals. Now, we can change these things later on. Let's say that instead of, quantity totals here, I wanted the average for the value. Instead of, exact numbers, I just wanted the average. I'm going to show you how to do all that kind of stuff too. Okay, but the point here is that real quick and easy, you can create a pivot table that does give you valuable information. And I'll also show you in a video here in just a minute how to do a pivot chart. Very similar, straightforward and simple, and it shows you visually how things are set up. Okay, so in the next video, let's go ahead and we'll get into some of the more intricate details of pivot tables here with, what all these squares are down here and rearranging stuff in the main area here.